'Twas the night before Black Friday, and all through the shop, not a creature was stirring, except a little turkey doing a trot. He was moving about, making prices so low, that when Matt would come in, he would say, "Dang, bro." So come in on Black Friday to see what he's done, and while you're at it, pick up a new gun. The Black Friday turkey only comes once per year. This gives you a chance to get some new gear.
Ho, ho, ho! Come on down to Fox Airsoft for all of your airsoft holiday needs. Visit us online at foxairsoft.com.